Attention Realtors! Are you tired of frantic cleaning sessions before home showings? Let's turn that chaos into calm with TidyTex's home cleaning. Our veteran-owned service specializes in getting homes ready to dazzle potential buyers, ensuring you close deals faster than ever. We understand that time is money, which is why we offer quick turnarounds and the meticulous care your listings deserve. Imagine stepping into a spotless home that feels welcoming from the moment the door opens. It's not just about clean, it's about creating an atmosphere that helps buyers envision their future in the space. Here's a tidy tip for you. Brighten up your listings by opening all the blinds and turning on all the lights before a showing. A well-lit home feels larger and more inviting, showcasing the best features without spending a dime. So why stress over cleaning when you can partner with TidyTex? We'll handle the dirty work while you focus on closing deals and making your clients happy. For more details, check the video description. You'll find our website, phone number, and email. Contact us today, and let's make your listing shine like never before.